You know what scares me the most about women in their older age? And when I say older age, I mean 27, 28, 30, 30 plus. I meet women from all age ranges, from 22, 23, all the way up to 40, actually. I like to just explore the different age groups. What's been scaring me the most, actually, is her past and the skeletons in her closet. Every woman has been through some sort of traumatic experience with a guy in the past. Whether it be a bad breakup, whether it be a boyfriend that just did something wrong to her, whether something was wrong with her and she decided to break off the relationship. Every single woman, especially lately that I've been meeting, I literally break up with a woman every couple of weeks at the moment. It's hilarious. They're coming in and out of my roster so quickly that I'm barely able to hold on to one that I really value and I think could be my potential partner. I don't want to say the word wife or life partner because I think those two are very big investment words. I don't like such an investment into the idea of it. I like the idea of just a current partnership, and then see where it leads to. But over the last few girls that I've met, really gorgeous girls, and the skeletons in their closet led them to act a certain way and be very fearful about going into a relationship and have all these kind of preconceived conceptions of what a relationship should be like and how they should act, and they should be careful and they should be a bit standoffish and they shouldn't put themselves forward so much. They should just keep at a bit of a distance and see how it goes. So that's what I've noticed about the women that I've met recently, especially in 30 plus is the age where they've had all these different experiences, they've had all these different boyfriends, and they now think a certain way about guys or about men, or, oh, this guy's going to screw me over, or, oh, this guy reminds me of this other guy I used to be with. Which is understandable, right? I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. I have preconceived conceptions about women, given the amount of women I've been with, and my experience has led me to be rather skeptical, actually. However, despite that, on a side note, I have postulated that next year I will meet a wonderful woman because I am full of abundance and love and joy. And the universe will bring me a wonderful woman that I will get serious about next year. And I do believe I'll actually find a girlfriend here in Bucharest, Romania, which is where I plan to spend most of next year. So I truly believe that deep in my heart, and I'm trying to postulate, and I don't want to use the word manifest. I sound like such an elegant. I want to manifest, I want to manifest. But I'm going to postulate this idea of having a beautiful girlfriend next year who is respectful, who is loyal, who's wonderful, and who doesn't have too many skeletons in her closet. And perhaps I should go for a slightly younger girl who isn't 30 plus. 25, 26 would sound more ideal. She maybe has had a couple of boyfriends and that's about it. Not too much madness. No horrible breakups. And no real conceptions of men being evil or dark, because I'm absolutely not evil or dark. Actually, I'm a good person and I'm successful, and I'll treat a woman with so much respect. And that's why I advocate on this channel, by the way. This channel is about understanding female nature, but understanding how to navigate it so that you can have the best possible relationships, so that your home can be warm and wonderful, and you could put your best self out there to these women, because this channel is about you building the best possible man you can to be the best possible partner, okay? There's no dark, seductive arts on this channel. I'm not that kind of person. I'm about creating a wonderful, strong man that can be the best possible husband, life partner, father one day. That's what true masculinity is, my friends. If you are truly masculine, you're not macho and aggressive and fighting people. You are a good life partner. But you're also smart enough to judge and to identify who's got skeletons in the closet and who's more pure-hearted. And you really are looking for the girl that's more pure-hearted, that hasn't been through all those troubles and is more open to living the good life and doesn't have so much trauma and difficulty. Because let's be honest, You don't want to have to deal with that trauma and difficulty. And I know there'll be guys on this saying, yeah, but that's unfair. You know, she's been through a hard time. That's not her problem. Yeah, but that's also not my problem. I don't want to deal with that. I'm pure. I'm clean. My life is too beautiful to deal with too much trauma. So I want to find and postulate someone who's as pure and as wonderful as I am. And you should be doing the same.